Hello, welcome to Hera Hub. I'm going to give you a quick tour of our meeting room space. This is the entryway. There is a nice space for your guests to relax. We offer coffee, tea, water for anyone who's waiting or any of your guests. The brown meeting room seats 4 people. It has a high top table and a nice big whiteboard and a nice big window with an operable window and a flat screen TV that you can plug into. There is also an operable door on this room, so you could prop that open for additional airflow if you'd like. Also right off the lobby is our large conference room. Also nice big picture window overlooking the San Diego River. We have coffee and water in the room, also tea, and again, nice big whiteboards and a flat screen TV that you can either plug in HDMI or you can use the Apple TV to connect. This room seats up to 14 people, but you could also bring in a few extra chairs if you needed to fit a few more. And the blue meeting room has a lower table, also seats 4, nice big picture windows, whiteboard as well, and all of our doors are frosted, so you've got pretty good privacy, and there's a curtain there, so again, not complete privacy, but good privacy, so to speak. And we also have a shared conference center, meaning it's shared with all the neighbors in the building, so we don't have exclusive access, but it is available quite often. There's a table you can use up front as a check-in table, and it's quite a large room. It has a projector, training tables. All the tables can be easily rearranged. You can set it up however you like. So projector is there. The controls are on the wall there. And obviously you can see there is a room divider. So if you need to break things up, you can do that. If you want to open it up completely, that's easy to do. And there's extra tables and chairs back here as well. So nice big room. Makes a nice training room. There is Wi-Fi down here, and there is a little kitchenette, more food prep, so a little ledge for food prep there, or putting out food, and then just a little sink and a food prep area in the back.